McPherson from McGrath Estate Agent.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 62 Jarman Street in Barlows Hill.
Situated on a 725 metre square allotment, this characteristic home has so much on offer. Not only does it have dual living and a 5x5 metre square shed, it's only 6 minutes to the Yeppoon CBD.
Come on in and have a look.
Absolutely love the character available at this property and the open plan living. Here we have the well-appointed corner kitchen with electric appliances opening up to this large living space and out to what has to be my favourite feature of the home, the wraparound balcony.
So guys, that was 62 Jarman Street over in Barlows Hill. If you'd like to book your own private inspection, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.